We're currently on the Freeway 8 going to San Diego. Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Come with me to San Diego to make my last delivery. I've been on the road for 4 weeks. 4 weeks. It's time for me to go home now. I have this delivery, guys, in the San Diego area, but right next to the border, which is called Mesa de Otay. And what I have right now is some stereo cables, stereo parts. That's what the shipper told me. So I wanted to record this vlog for you guys because I never really come out here to San Diego. It's really rare when I do. And the company that I'm going to, it's literally right next to the border of San Diego and Tijuana. So it's called this little area called the Mesa de Otay. And I'm going up a mountain right now, kind of like the Grapevine, but man, everything right now is so beautiful, man. This is what I love about trucking. And just to clarify it, this is my last trip before my girlfriend comes on the road with me for 2 weeks. Woo! So next vlog that you guys see, you guys will meet my girlfriend. Let's hammer down, let's hammer down. Got my fan on, AC is turned off, because going up this, literally, your semi-truck can overheat. Not just semi-trucks, cars and anything in general, but it happened to me before, so man, I'm kind of scared of this one. Let's make it to San Diego though. I kind of got lost trying to figure out this location of this company, but it looks like we made it clear and safe. I showed up to another company and they said they would switch locations, and thank God they did, because this one looks so much better. It says all trucks must check in here. Let's check in, boys, because it's 4 weeks on the road. I want to go home. You know how it is out here. Guys, I came to the wrong location again, bro. No manches. Se está llenando aquí. I gotta get out of here. The good thing is that this company where I'm going to again, I'm gonna see, is in the same facility. There's a lot of buildings here. But ya me están corriendo. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty rude here. So guys, the first place that I went was so hard, kind of like this, but way more overpacked. And now this one looks kind of chill. Not that chill, but this is the door that I got. Pretty easy door. I know I'm wearing my Crocs, but I only slept 2 hours just to get here. I loaded this in Texas and I got to San Diego in a day and a half. So you know I've been a super trucker. Oh yeah, I got stereo parts. So when my girlfriend comes, I'm gonna have her be doing all of this. Doing doors. I want to teach her how to drive the semi-truck too, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think it'll be safe to let her drive it. En la 27. Sí está bien. Ustedes me llaman, ¿verdad? Ok, gracias. And this is the porta potty that we gotta use as truck driver, guys. It's currently 100 and something degrees. Imagine if you gotta take a number 2 in there. Woo, boy, you better pray that's not you. It looks clean, it looks clean. Okay, so now that we're just waiting to get unloaded, honestly, I'm gonna catch up on some sleep because I slept 2 hours. Just because they kept pushing me to deliver this load, and I got here in 1 day and a half. I think like 2 days if you really do the math. But yeah, guys, I'm really tired and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna catch up on some sleep, and I'll see you guys right now. Already going all the way to Fresno, delivery tomorrow, so we're gonna have to go pick that up. If you're not a trucker, every time I do a delivery, I gotta take a picture of it, send it to the company, and then we gotta go. Let's take this off. currents because when we got this truck they broke. But if you guys don't have currents or something, I recommend you guys get one of these because, dude, when I'm in places like this, there's trucks in front of me, to the side of me, everyone's just staring in here, especially because I have pollen here and people just like to stare. But at the same time, it's kind of like to the point where I just want some privacy, you know? Anyways, let's get out of here. Too much yapping. This is the company where I'm picking up. It's called Master's Touch. Master's Touch right here. I don't really care if they make me wait for a door or not. I'm still trying to go back to sleep. They're empty, guys. Oh my god. They're empty, look. Everyone's just staring at me because I'm recording myself. Alright boys, time to put the camera down. I'm gonna park between two trucks, but the truck that I'm gonna park in front is a Peterbilt. Oh my god, I hate parking between the Peterbilts that look so nice because I'm like, oh, let me not hit it, let me not hit it. And then in my head I'm like, oh my god, they're just staring at me. And the worst part is I'm parking blind spot. So yeah, I'm parking blind spot, yeah, next to a Peterbilt. Let me show you guys. That's the Peterbilt I'm parking. So I gotta go like this, open, and then reverse between that truck, but on the other side. And this guy's in my way. Pretty cool. It should be pretty decent. It's just more nervous because I'm backing up next to that truck. And never mind. I'm not gonna park blind spot. I'm gonna just difficult my life. Let's see how it goes, boys. I got it on my first time. The only thing is, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I broke my little tripod, so now I have to hold the camera by my hand. It's kind of hard to show you guys a good angle. The reason why I'm making this soup, guys, is because when I'm loading reefer, they kind of take a long time. So I wanna, after this, I wanna just take a bomb nap. I got my AC all the way up. Ooh, I know you know that feeling, boy. If you guys know any hacks on how to make this type of noodles way better, please let me know, because this is honestly like a struggle food here. And if you guys can help me make it like a gourmet style, please, I beg you guys, please let me know what I could add. Just please let me know something. We're gonna add some pepper to this, you know. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's kind of late. It's kind of dark to cook on my grill and be showing you guys right now. So I put over right here on top of the grapevine and stopped at the Flying J. Gonna get something to eat. I'm starving, man. You guys have no idea how bad I'm starving.
It's gonna be about a wait, is that right?
How long?
Just making it fresh.
That's
like
fine.
6 minutes or something. Your name?
Fine. It comes with fries, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then can I add some ranch on the side, please?
That it's gonna be 14.22. Just hold it there, it takes a little while. whoever hands it to you, just let them know you want it. We got spicy ranch too.
I'll take some too. I haven't had it, but I'll try it, please. I'm eating at the fuel pump right now. You give me a spicy ranch. I got a spicy burger. Guys, I'm so hungry. No, didn't eat. Yeah. It's freshly made, so good, but it's hot. Try the ghost pepper ranch. Let me try this. It's cool, it's cool. You guys know that feeling when you haven't ate and you get your first meal of the day? This is so me right now. You gotta watch some YouTube while I'm recording a YouTube video.
It's big war, yeah, you know me. I ain't here to play with you. Talk about.
Okay, so what was that like?
But you can judge a lot when you grow up like that. You know, they want to test you, they want to try you.
I'm here with you, bro. I'm here with you. Okay, that's good.
Fresno, California, here we come. Finally going home after 4 weeks. You guys do not know how excited that is, guys. If you're a truck driver and you've been out here for so long, you know that load that just gets you home. No better feeling. And yeah, guys, my girlfriend is gonna be joining me on my next trip to Texas. So next video you guys see after this, she will be joining me from California all the way to Texas, and I can't wait to show you guys every adventure with her. Alrighty, boys, we're going all the way to the 5 North California. Basically for us, we're about to go down the Grapevine. Some light. Forgot to mention earlier, I didn't record because I was just in San Diego coming up north, and there was really nothing to record, guys. It was just so much traffic. I was actually stuck in traffic and I was super hungry, so I didn't want to record just something boring for you guys. We're officially going down the Grapevine, guys. I'm going 33 and it's a 35-mile zone, and hopefully we'll make it down because I want to go home. If you guys know, I had an incident happen to me a couple videos ago where I broke down almost right here. We made it down the Grapevine, guys, thank God. But this truck right here in front of me, dude, he was in front of me literally going super slow, like 25, and like I scooted to my left. I basically was gonna pass him, and then I pass him to my right, and then he gets on that lane right here where he's at right now, and then he just speeds. Obviously we're down already, but like it was literally while we were going downhill, so I'm like, what the heck, dude? Like, bro, really? Are you for real? BFF for real, dude. Like, you're just playing around, man. Come on, be for real. Good morning, guys. I made it here, not to the company, but I fell asleep on the truck. It was on the exit right here in Visalia on Mountain View here in California. Yeah, I'm still here.
Alright, yeah, so if you just go to the address, they should probably be there. We do this every week. They know you're coming. Yeah, it's not really a house, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of just a lot there.
Okay.
But they'll get you taken care of once you pull up there.
Okay, sounds good, man. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, guys, so I fell asleep here at the truck stop. I don't know. Maybe it's because I know that I'm going home, but I was just super tired, guys. Like, it was 12 o'clock midnight, and I was like tired, like my body hurts. That's how you know it's time to go home. But yeah, guys, let's drive to the company because it looks like it's a piece of dirt. And I want to show you guys that not every place where you deliver is actually a shipping and receiving, like with docks. I might be wrong, but on Google Maps it looks like it's just a piece of, like, a house and a piece of dirt. So let's go. Let's go do that delivery, boys. I already did my pre-trip. for the road truck driver is that you're literally in a different scene every day. Like right now, guys, all this in the Central Valley is what makes me happy, and it makes me appreciate my home. Oh, we're gonna about to cry. Nah, it just makes me feel like so happy about myself. Like smells like home, you know, like when you're home. The little birds in the morning, like it reminds me to when I was younger, man. Believe it or not, when you're back home, it just makes me feel really good, like appreciative. Thank God that I made it back in one, well, at least not yet, but you know, kinda that I made it in one piece. Feels good, man. It feels good. I'm so happy. Por ahí así. Made it. This is a place where they do donations, so they made me enter. Ay, tengo miedo. I'm scared. I'm scared. Finally, we're getting unloaded, boys. Then my last load to go home, boys. Oh yeah. I was kind of scared because I was like, oh, they just put the forklift up there, and I was taking off the low lugs. And then I'm like, oh, like what if they make me do it? I'm like, oh, nah. I got my CDL. Can't do labor. Alright, let's get out of here, boys. Officially time for me to go home. I'll catch you guys on the next video with a special guest, my girlfriend. So if you guys want to see my girlfriend come on the road with me, guys, I'm so happy. There's every trucker's well, I can't even see where I'm at. This is every trucker's dream, guys. So thanks for watching all the way to the end, guys. I appreciate it so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next YouTube video. Peace.